I am in my new apartment. I just got the keys. I'm so happy. I'm currently here by myself. My boyfriend isn't coming until Monday, and today is Wednesday. Yeah, Monday. So, I wish he was here, but I am enjoying just walking around my new apartment. I can't believe it. Like, I'm just like trying to, you know, feel the vibes, and it feels good. This is Nova's room that I'm in right now. What if I just gave you an empty apartment tour? How about that? Okay, so we are on the last floor. And we have the whole floor to ourselves. And then when you walk in, it's the living room space. I'm definitely gonna put like a couch here and then like a TV here, I believe. Yeah, unless we mounted the TV here. No. Yeah, I'm gonna put the TV here. And yeah, so the kitchen and the living room are pretty much together. I might do like a dining table right here and like separating the living room and the kitchen. The kitchen is super different than any kitchen that I've ever seen before, but I really love it. I feel like it fits my vintage vibes. I saw a lot of modern apartments and it didn't really do it for me. Like, they were super tiny. I do have a fireplace in the kitchen. I'm thinking maybe we'll use that area to put like spices and stuff, maybe like my crystals. There's a stove. Could probably fit something else. I could probably fit something else by the stove if someone just called and interrupted, and let me hurry up and do this. I might move the stove a little bit over, but it's like right by the heater. The sink, and I just love everything about it. It's so vintage and cute. This is the view from here. And then I have my regular fridge, which is whatever. It feels cold. It works. And over in this section, have a washer and a dryer, which I definitely need with a 2-year-old. So one thing about this place is that it doesn't have so much storage. Like, it doesn't have many closets besides my room. So I know like I'll be using these areas for storage. And I'll probably like buy something to put on this wall for storage. Oh, let me show you our little balcony. It's so dark out right now, so you probably can't see it, but it's so cute. Whoever was here before left a grill. We will definitely be using that. It's super dark out right now. Let's go back inside. Okay, and here is the bathroom. The bathroom is super regular. So I already know I want to change this mirror and put something way cuter up there. And there's also a mirror back here. This one could stay. It's very simple. But yeah, it's pretty basic. Let's go on to the rooms. Here is my room. This is our room. So cute. and we have like a huge closet, which I know is gonna fit. I'm not gonna even say all of our stuff, but all of my stuff. Definitely can give Danny like this bottom corner. He could probably have that bottom part too, we'll see. I'm totally joking, but yeah, this is like a pretty big closet, and it has like this shelf up here so we could store some stuff on top of there. I'm thinking of putting our bed by the window, and just having like space on this side. And then this is baby Nova's room. She has like a cute little shelving situation. Her room doesn't have a closet, but I actually have like a little closet that I got from Ikea a while ago that she can have. She also has a fireplace in her room. These fireplaces are fake, I believe. Probably was once real, but you could tell they did renovation to this apartment. The floors are brand new, and yeah, that is it, guys. That is pretty much my space. I really like it. I cannot wait to make it my own. And decorate. I want to sage the place, Palo Santo the place, you know, have some candles burning, you know, get my scents up in here, have like oil diffusers with lavender oil, just filling up the place, giving it good vibes. But that's, yeah, that is it. Stay tuned for my updated apartment tour when I fully decorate and everything. It's gonna take a while, but I'm going to get it done.
Because I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. I'm hurting on me.
I just got back, well, we just got back from buying groceries, so I'm putting all of my groceries away. Noah, stop touching the broom, please. But yeah, we are still getting settled in. I think we finally decided on a couch from Ikea, and I really like couches from Ikea because most of them you could take the covers off and wash them. Baby, here, put this in the fridge. Put the butter in the fridge.
Okay.
Thank you. Come get it.
Okay.
Put this in the fridge and this.
Okay.
Thank you. So we still need a couch, but we decided on one. We need a bed frame for our queen size bed, and that is pretty much it. We definitely need like some shelving because,
Mommy,
like I said before, we...
I want cereal.
Okay, we're about to eat dinner. We're about to eat tacos. Say hi.
I want tacos.
Say hi. You don't want tacos?
I want a bracelet.
If you don't like tacos, boo-boo, I don't know if you're my real baby. Are you my baby?
Yes.
Are you?
Mm.
Do you like tacos? Yeah? Okay.
Mm.
I'm trying to be way more consistent now that I feel like I have somewhat of a schedule. And yeah, I feel like this time in my life has been the most calm, even though like moving is so stressful. But right now things are feeling really calm, and I just feel really happy and blessed. So I do have extra time to make more videos for you guys, and a lot of you guys like my vlogs, my me and Nova vlogs, and now it's gonna be me, Nova, and possibly introducing you guys to my boyfriend on my YouTube channel. I'm not too sure how I feel about that, but if he's around, he's around, and if he wants to be in them, he will be in them. We'll see. But yeah. Also, follow me on Instagram because I am way more consistent on Instagram. I post stories almost every day and inspo and just my daily life activities and things that I love. So yeah, Instagram is where to find me on a daily basis. But I'm going to make these YouTube videos very fun and creative for you guys and very informative. I know a lot of people look up to me on my Instagram for like parenting and being somewhat of a single mom because I'm not with Nova's dad. So that's like something that I realize a lot of people look to me for that I never really noticed. So I'm gonna be posting more about that, just like how it is being a mom, and also take you on my journey of starting my own brand and just being a full-time worker, and yeah, just being myself. Pretty much just me being my magical self. I'm all here for you guys. If you guys have some bomb salad recipes, please let me know in the comments because your girl needs to get it right and I need to eat salad. So I'm thinking like maybe grilled chicken salad, steak salad for some good protein, some shrimp salad. But I don't really have any like cool toppings. I bought croutons, but I need other things like some tomatoes, maybe some like sliced carrots. I don't know. Let me know below if you make some poppin' salads because I need some help. Couch is here. So I think I'm going to have to order like a TaskRabbit to put this together. It's pretty big, guys. There's like 3 boxes and I'm not too sure what this is. It's like a cover maybe? A cover? But yeah, I'm excited. I hope the couch is up by tomorrow because I also have a day off tomorrow and I would love to just like sit down and chill and watch TV. I put this TV in the living room for now on a chair. Good morning. Wait, is my camera dirty? So it is the next day and the couch is done. It already has Nova's toys. I brought my blanket from my bed because we just like made it out to a bed. It gets smaller. I'll show you guys like a clip. Yes, Nova. I'll show you guys a clip of the couch when it's like an actual couch. This is like the pull-out couch version. This part just goes underneath that part. Yeah, I love it. I love it. My home is feeling more of a home. We still have all the boxes though from the couch and the deliveries. And Nova just is playing with the boxes and having a good old time.
Mommy.
Nova, say hi.
Look, Mommy.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say welcome to my channel. It's been a journey of moving and we're just now getting settled in. It feels amazing for those of you who are moving around this time. I feel you guys. It's exciting, but it's also very stressful. So it's overwhelming and I feel like in a good way it's overwhelming because it's like new beginnings, but you know, you have to work hard to like get everything together. And once it is, you just feel great. So that's like the point where I'm at right now. I'm starting to feel less stressed and more comfortable in my new home and getting like my schedule down. All right, boo-boos? Okay, so mini update. It's still crazy in my new apartment. We have like TV's on the floor still. Our bed is still on the floor. And yeah, we're trying to balance everything. But I feel like by the holidays, which Thanksgiving is right around the corner, but like by Christmas, we will have a comfy home. That is the goal. That is the goal. I'm not going any further without like having a home for all of my things. And honestly, like by then, if I don't have a home for all of my things, I'm gonna throw out even more stuff. I was about to call it junk, but it's not junk. It's like stuff that I love, like little knickknacks and stuff. But yeah, my sister's coming over today and I'm getting rid of some clothes. So before I do, I want to see if she wants anything. Auntie Addie's coming today. Oh, boo boo. You can't be standing on me like you're 2 pounds. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you more. I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I
Love you more.
love you.
You're my best friend.
You're my best friend.
Baby, are you on the way? Now,
Okay, guys, that's the end of the vlog. We'll be back with some more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.
I'll be here.
Say give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Peace.